Hello everyone and welcome to the lecture on Amazon Forecast. So this lecture will contain all these topics. What is Amazon Forecast? Features of Amazon Forecast, how Amazon Forecast works, pricing and decommissioned. So Amazon Forecast is no longer available to new customers. Existing customers of Amazon Forecast can continue to use the service as normal. So you can transition your Amazon Forecast usage to Amazon SageMaker Canvas, and this was published on 29 July 2024. So this is still part of exam syllabus, so that's why I'm covering it. And depending on when you watch this video, if it is no longer part of exam syllabus, I will remove this particular lecture. So anyways, what is Amazon Forecast? Amazon Forecast is a fully managed service combining statistical models and machine learning to generate precise time series forecast. It automates complex predictions without infrastructure management. It is built using the same forecasting technology that powers Amazon.com operations. It requires no machine learning expertise. Users only need historical data. It is applicable to diverse sectors including retail, inventory planning, finance like market trends, logistics like supply chain, and healthcare in, for example, patient demand. It specializes in forecasting domain-specific metrics like inventory requirements, staffing needs, website traffic patterns, server load capacity, and financial performance indicators. Forecast automates complex machine learning tasks by finding the optimal combination of machine learning algorithms for your datasets. It applies a combination of machine learning algorithms that are based on same technology that is used at Amazon.com. Forecast offers a wide range of training algorithms, from commonly used statistical methods to complex neural networks. Forecast provides several filling methods to automatically handle missing values in your datasets. Forecast can automatically incorporate built-in datasets to improve your model. These datasets are already feature engineered and do not require any additional configuration. So this is the pricing for Amazon Forecast. It has pay-as-you-go pricing. So you pay only for what you use with no minimum fees and no upfront commitments. And the cost depend on forecast generated, data storage and training hours. So it is part of AWS free tier, and this includes 10,000 time series forecast per month, 10 GB storage and 10 training hours monthly, and valid for first 2 months. The cost components are, so one is forecast generated, which is, as I talked about, 1000 time series forecast, data storage, price per GB of stored datasets, and training hours, which cost based on compute resources used during the model training. Free tier details: forecast, so you can have 10,000 time series predictions, storage of 10 GB dataset storage, training 10 hours of model training, and duration for the first 2 months of when you start using the service. So how Amazon Forecast works? So datasets, so when creating forecasting projects in Amazon Forecast, you work with the following resources. So first you start with importing datasets, and datasets are collections of your input data. Dataset groups are collections of datasets that contain complementary information. Forecast algorithms use your dataset groups to train custom forecasting models called predictors. Training predictors. Predictors are custom models trained on your data. You can train a predictor by choosing a pre-built algorithm or by choosing the AutoML option to have Amazon Forecast pick the best algorithm for you. Finally, you generate forecast, and then you can generate forecast for your time series data. You can query them using the Query Forecast API or visualize them in the console. And that's all. Thanks for watching.